everyone, and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through our nifty marketing percentage of customer acquisition cost calculator. As you can see, it's a very easy interface. We have got two input variables, which is marketing cost and sales and marketing cost yearly. So it's just one of the many metrics you can use to evaluate effectiveness of your marketing efforts. It provides actually perspective on how your marketing activities contribute your customer acquisition. So, customer acquisition cost or CAC represents total expense you incur to acquire a single customer, right? But within this cost, marketing plays a significant role. And marketing percentage of customer acquisition helps us quantify how much of our overall customer acquisition efforts is driven by marketing activities. So, it's actually marketing cost is actually a subset of broader sales and marketing cost. So, marketing cost can include your advertisement, online, print, and television format, then your content marketing efforts, blog post, social media content, infographics, public relations, search engine optimization, and then, of course, at times in today's age and time, we are leveraging automation software, so marketing of automation software. While S&M cost capture entire customer journey from initial awareness to closing the deal and ensuring customer satisfaction. So, all expenses related to acquiring new customers. So, this includes your marketing cost also. In addition to cost directly tied to sales process. So, sales process could include sales commissions, bonuses, sales team salaries, then their benefits, their training and development, customer support related to acquisition, like onboarding calls, then travel and entertainment expense for sales activities. So that's your sales expenses. So we have to be very, very mindful of sales and marketing cost and marketing cost alone. So let's look up this calculator with an example. Make sure that whatever input fields you are plugging in the input value in this fields, the timeline for both the variables is same. So let's suppose you are a software company who spends 2,50,000 annually on marketing and 7,50,000 annually on sales and marketing combined. Let me just plug in these value for you. 250,000 and 750,000 dollars. Simply hit calculate, you get acquisition cost marketing percentage, which is 33.33%. So ideally a low benchmark is between 20 to 30% and high benchmark is between 50 to 70%. So you can think of this, think of it like this, like marketing cost is the bait you cast to attract the fish or potential customers, and sales and marketing cost includes the bait, the fishing rod, the time spent reeling in the fish, which is closing the sale and ensuring customer satisfaction. So you can look up for more such calculators. Like I said, this is just one of many metrics that you can use to identify your marketing efforts. You can visit upgrow.in, and under resources, you can simply visit our calculator page, which is a repository of many digital marketing calculators, which include SEO calculators, which covers very technical KPIs, PPC calculators, and then we have repository for marketing calculators. So you can check out marketing percentage of customer acquisition cost that we are currently visiting, marketing originated customer percentage, marketing influenced customer percentage. Then we have also subsets of email marketing, online marketing conversion calculator. So feel free and do check out these from upgrow.in. I'll also be referring some links in the description below. You can check out this calculator from the description. And if you are looking for a growth partner, you can book a consultation with our specialist. So don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to optimize your online presence. Thanks for tuning in.